Welcome to Hong Kong, a city where tradition meets the future in a breathtaking dance of glass, steel, and sea. We begin our journey on the legendary Star Ferry, the heartbeat of the harbor for over a century. Stepping off into Central, you immediately feel the electric pulse of Asia's premier financial hub. Above us, architectural marvels pierce the clouds, housing the dreams and deals that power the globe. Every corner here tells a story of ambition. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. To truly see the city, we hop on the iconic Ding Ding tram, a slow-moving window into Hong Kong life. From the upper deck, the world seems both intimate and grand as we rattle through the historic corridors. Next, we ascend the mid-levels escalators, the world's longest outdoor covered escalator system. This is Soho, where old colonial charm blends seamlessly with modern creativity and nightlife. Amidst the steel, we find sanctuary. The Manmo Temple stands as a testament to deep-rooted heritage. Inside, the air is thick with the scent of incense and the whispers of history. The real soul of Hong Kong, however, is found in its markets. Vibrant, chaotic, and full of life. Can you smell the wok hei? This is the art of street cooking, perfected over generations. No tour is complete without dim sum. It's not just a meal, it's a Hong Kong institution. As the afternoon fades, we cross back over to Kowloon, heading for the famous Tsim Sha Tsui. The Avenue of Stars celebrates the legends of Hong Kong cinema who brought this city to the world. And from here, you get the most spectacular view of the skyline we just walked through. Here, luxury and art collide in architectural masterpieces that redefine the modern shopping experience. As dusk turns to night, Nathan Road transforms into a river of light and neon. Venturing deeper into Kowloon, we find Mongkok, one of the most densely populated places on Earth. The night markets here are a labyrinth of treasures, where the energy never seems to flag. At Temple Street, fortune tellers and opera singers share the stage with sizzling clay pot rice. The city truly comes alive after dark, a shimmering jewel against the South China Sea. Every night, the skyline erupts in a coordinated dance of lasers and music. It's a spectacle like no other. It's a city of contrasts, peaceful waters reflecting a world that never sleeps. We've only just scratched the surface of what this incredible city has to offer. In part 2, we'll head for the heights and explore the hidden nature and islands of Hong Kong. You won't want to miss it. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Thank you for watching.